How does traveling bring out the best in you? We traveled to Boracay during Labor Week and I was so super excited for our trip. Pero syempre, first step is getting to the island. Kaya we booked an airport transfer with my Boracay guide. Sobrang dali ng process. They picked us up, tinulungan kami with our luggage, tapos ang smooth ng biyahe. No stress, just chill vibes all the way to Boracay. I can say na super sulit nito dahil nasubukan ko na mag-DIY transfer before and tipid talaga sa time and less hassle ang option na to. On our first 2 nights, we attended the Love Boracay event. Puro backpacking lang ako lately, plus I travel solo so I haven't partied in a while talaga. Pakiramdam ko, college student ulit ako na pumaparty after exams. On our day 3, nag-activity kami sa mainland. Para maiba naman, saglit lang yung boat and land transfer from Boracay Island. Ito yung mga activity na hindi mo ako kailangang yayain dahil sasama talaga ako. This is exactly my definition of fun. Basic pa nga to for me dahil na-experience ko na yung highest and yung longest zipline na meron tayo dito sa Pinas. Plus, a much more extreme off-road ATV adventure. Still, this was super enjoyable and definitely worth the money. On our day 4, we ditched the crowded beach and went on a sunset party cruise instead. We sailed around Crimson to Shangri-La Coast. This is a 3-hour cruise at pwedeng mag-fun dive and snorkeling. May mixed drinks and live DJ on board. And this was the best part, when the two ships interact with each other. This is when you know the actual party begins. Everyone was having a great time. May foam party, good music, unlimited drinks, walang KJ. The overall vibe from start to finish, it was giving. And of course, the highlight, Boracay sunset. No cap, this was one of the best activities I've ever experienced. So ikaw, how does traveling bring out the best in you? Kasi para sa akin, traveling pushes me out of my comfort zone. Dito ko natutunan magtiwala sa sarili at makipag-usap sa ibang tao. Boracay reminds me to appreciate the simple things. Sunsets, sand, at syempre good company. Kapag nagta-travel ako, natututo akong mag-try ng bago. Every experience is a lesson. Dito ko nare-realize na kaya ko palang gawin yung akala ko imposible. And it's true that you feel more confident in places where you are a stranger, where no one knows about you. If you want to discover more fun activities like this, check out our Gen Z page. I'll paste the link in the comments so you can skip the FOMO and follow the fun.